Hey, hello, this is Diana Castilla from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be revealing how you can make $1,000 per week fast without any upfront costs. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make $1,000 per week online fast. Okay, the only thing is that you need to watch this video, you need to apply it. Please stick to the end of the video because I'm gonna reveal full details of how you can do it as a professional. Okay, so first of all, we are gonna be doing the business principles. Okay, we're gonna buy low and we're gonna sell high. This is actually how businesses works. Okay, let's say that you're gonna buy a t-shirt. When you go sometimes you buy it on Amazon, right? Or you go to a store, right? They are usually not the manufacturers. They hire someone who do, all the customized things that they want on the t-shirt. They buy it low and they're going to sell it high. So this is the same principle that we're going to use it. We're going to find people with skills and we're going to connect them with businesses, okay? We're going to connect them with online businesses. So I want you to keep in mind, this is how the world, works. You buy low and you sell high. Okay, first things that you need to take into consideration is that you need to choose a niche. Okay, you need to choose a niche and what are you going to offer? We are not going to be offering anything that is going to be physical because we don't want to deal with shipping. We don't want to have to deal with refunds. We want to have a really high profit margin. So that's why we're going to offer digital products. The best products, and this is according to my experience, that you can offer online are graphic design services, web design services, copywriting, landing page builders, SEO, and even email marketing. Don't worry, you don't have to master this. You don't have to be a graphic designer. You don't have to be an SEO specialist. You don't have to be a copywriter. Remember that we're going to find someone who already have this skill and we're going to connect it with the business. You are going to be a digital agency. Okay, so there is work involved, but the margins are going to be greater for you because you are going to be the middleman between the contractor and the business. Okay, do not think that you're going to be a freelancer. You are not a freelancer. You are a small digital agency or a boutique, if you want to call it that way. Okay, why I'm suggesting you to go with these products is because they sell well online. Everybody who's looking to make money online, it doesn't matter if they want to do drop shipping, if they want to create their own online store, if they want to be, offering the service as a community manager, if they want to sell their own product or service, even if they are doing affiliate marketing, they need this. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you about these things. The other thing is how you're going to get the contractors. Okay, there are several platforms online in which you can hire people who are not in the US, so their rates per hour are way lower, but they do have really high quality services. The platforms that I suggest you, and this is by my experience, is Upwork, freelance.com, and Fiverr. I know there are other platforms out there. I'm not mentioning them because I don't have any kind of experience with those other platforms. My suggestion is go ahead and check the reviews on this about these contractors on the platforms. Okay, check out the reviews. All these three platforms are going to give you feedbacks, okay? The customers who deal with these contractors, they put feedback. Sometimes it can be in star, it can be a written feedback, it can be numbers from 1 to 10, but the feedback, it's there. Okay, so if you hire or if you're thinking about offering graphic design services, check out the portfolio. If you think about offering landing page services, again, check out the portfolio, check out which are the softwares that these people can handle. Okay, and the same with copywriter. It's people, if they really understand the idea, how well or how good or bad is their grammar, etc. Depending on the platform that you choose and depending on the freelancer, you're gonna check and see that sometimes they're offering cost per hours and cost per project. Don't be scared like, wow, they're charging me $10 per hour, they're charging me $20 per hour. No, because remember that these are not going to be full-time employees. They're going to be just contractors. You're going to be paying them for the amount of hours that they're going to take to develop the project, okay? These platforms have like really good controls. On Fiverr, on the other hand, you're gonna pay them per project. Okay, ask them like, hey, if I need to do some kind of review modifications, do I need to pay extra? Sometimes they have like the tables, the price tables, telling you like, if you need to have 2 or 3 reviews, this is how much you need to pay. If this is going to be like a rush order, this is how extra. So you need to take that into consideration whenever you are setting up, your prices. But remember, again, you are not a freelancer, you have a digital agency. But again, it's really important to review the feedback about the contractor that you have in mind. How are you going to find the customers? Well, nowadays everybody's on Facebook. You're going to find them on Facebook groups. Okay, you're going to build relationships. You're going to be answering people's questions because you want to be recognized as an authority. Which type of groups? Okay, it can be a dentist group. It can be people who are trying to make money online groups, passive income groups. It can be even lawyers groups, okay? Why we're going to be in these groups? Again, you're not going to be spamming your offer. Okay, you're not going to be spamming your offer. You are going to be building relationships. You're going to be answering people questions. Sometimes the answer is just on Google, so you don't have to be a master, but they're going to recognize you as an authority. So if there is a platform, a software that you know that is really popular, yeah, people are going to get the software, but sometimes they don't have time to do everything. They don't have time to build a landing page. They want something more professional, so you're going to be there. Okay, so you can find people in Facebook groups, but you also need to take care about your Facebook profile. It needs to be professional. You can use the cover picture and put that you have a digital agency. If you have a URL about this, where you're gonna have the portfolio, and the portfolio can be on the contractors that you have in mind about hiring. Okay, and by the way, stay with me to the end of the video because I'm going to teach you how you can do this professionally without any kind of technical knowledge. Remember that you're going to be in these Facebook groups that I mentioned before, so you're going to be adding people's add friends from these groups. Sometimes you're going to see, because they recognize you as an authority, they're going to start sending you friend requests, and this is what we want. Okay, sometimes on this Facebook group, and I forget to mention this, they ask questions like, hey, by any chance do you know how much money a great graphic designer is going to charge me to develop XYZ project? You can be there. You can do this. Use the search tool, the one that is on the left on the Facebook group, and ask, type things like paid, how much, because these set of questions are related to people who are on like warm market. They already want to buy the product, or they already want to buy some kind of service, and you might be the person who is offering that service. On your Facebook profile, you need to post every now and then information about your agency. It can be happy customers, feedback, reviews. If you have some kind of special, it can be something fast, like, hey, for the next 10 people, if you want to have like a professional Facebook cover, it's going to be XYZ amount. Okay. So Facebook, it's a great place to find customers. Now let me show you how you can easily create your own digital agency if you want to be way more professional, not just than, posting everything on Facebook, especially whenever you're having a lot of traffic or people are asking you about your portfolio. Okay, the tool that I use, it's called Builderall. Builderall is an all-in-one marketing solution. If you want to give it a try, I'm gonna leave the link below so you can test it out for free. Okay, so you're gonna go here to apps, and we're gonna use right now the Pixel Perfect Builder. Okay, then you're gonna click here on the top where it says new website, and you're gonna see that they do have a lot of categories, and they do have pre-made templates, which is actually really, really great. So we're gonna click here where it says digital agency, and we're gonna see the templates that they do have available for digital agencies. Remember that we're gonna be doing a digital agency. Why do we want to do this? Because we want to create a really professional portfolio. A lot of people are going to be asking you about your portfolio. That is not really your portfolio, but it's going to be your contractor's portfolio. Okay, so you can see here we have different categories about, if you want to use digital marketing, if you're going to use a web design agency, it doesn't really matter. Let's say that we're going to go with the digital marketing agency. So these are all the templates. These templates are really professional and are really easy to set it up. Okay, if we want to check out a preview, we're going to click here where it says view. The system is going to show me a real life demo of how the actual website is going to look. And let me tell you a little bit more advanced strategy. Remember that at the beginning I told you that you can be a web designer. You can actually sell these templates because they are really well done. So if you don't want to hire a contractor, right, and you want to have way bigger margins, I invite you to check out these templates, okay, and you can start selling them this. Remember that you are going to be able to create landing pages. Here we have template for local businesses. So I invite you to go ahead and do that. If you want to edit it, let me show you how easy it's going to be. We're going to click here where it says edit. Okay. Now, remember that I told you that the system opened the template, how it's going to look like. Okay, so this is how this template is going to look like. Here you're going to put the customer logo. As you can see, they do have different sections. Your people can ask for a free code. So it's really good looking. It's really well designed. It's even more web friendly. So you can offer them these templates if you want. Okay. So these are really well professional. And if you want to edit them, don't worry. It's really easy. Just as simple as drag and drop. So you don't have to be a genius. If you want this to be here because the customer told you like, hey, yeah, I like it, but let's put it here. The same with the text. Let me move everything together. We want this to be here at the top. We want this to be center, or we just want to change it. Okay, it's the same as if you're using Microsoft Word. So let me align it to the center. If you want to change the text, you can just change the text. That's it. If you want to change the color, so it's really easy, and this is something that you can offer to your customers if you don't want to offer a third-party service like a contractor. So it's really easy, really simple, and you're gonna have all these pages that the template already have made here at the top. Okay, so here you have all the pages, the home, the contact. Don't worry if you want to duplicate this because you need more sections. You can click here where it says duplicate, and it's gonna have all the features. So it's really easy, it's really simple. So I suggest you to go ahead and check out Builderall. I'm gonna leave the link below so you can have a free trial. And this is basically how you're gonna be doing $1,000 per week. Let me put things into perspective so you can understand. Just in case that you don't know, I'm a graphic designer. I'm not offering services at this moment, but I do have my agency. It's running on the side. And if someone asks me to create a website right now, thanks to Builderall, I'm able to create a full system. Why? Because Builderall offered me the possibilities to create an email responder, to create a chatbot, to do webinars, etc. So if you decide to sell and provide a service, you can be charging $1,500 for a website. Okay, remember that everything is here. Builderall is really easy to use. So now it's your turn to make money online. Now it's your turn to put the effort, find the customers. It doesn't matter if you want to be the middleman. It doesn't matter if you want to provide your own service. So this is it for this video. If you find this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. If you have some comments, if you have some questions, leave it in the comment area below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next